Got popped them all. Ooh, ow, my God. Yo, what is going on, guys? I heard about this little colorful popcorn deal and I had to try it. So you're gonna see me trying this for the first time. I don't know for sure that it works, so you're gonna see if it works or not. I'm hoping it does. Colorful M&M popcorn is in the works. Alright? You're gonna watch me make it. You're gonna see how it turns out. I'm gonna use this little pot right here. Got my pot. Got my M&Ms, got my popcorn, got my olive oil, and yeah, let's get it. Let's see how this turns out. Step one is, so this is my pot down there. Alright, so, gotta heat this up to about medium heat here. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of olive oil. Don't know exactly how much, you know, I'm just going, I'm hoping, I think I know what I'm doing, I think, you know, I'm just believing, and I'm achieving, best believe it. Okay. I don't know if I'm using this oil properly, or... Dude, I'll be honest, I don't know what I'm doing, right? I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never made stovetop popcorn before. I mean, I thought you just put that in the microwave and it's done, but if you want colorful popcorn, you know, you gotta go the extra step. I hope this works, you know? Now, from here, I just gotta believe. So, we're gonna put all those in there, and we're gonna put some M&Ms in there. Oh my gosh, these suckers are cool. As soon as the popcorn, as one of them starts to pop, I'm gonna add them in. I just don't want the chocolate to melt as soon as I put them in. Maybe that's what they're supposed to do. Dude, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'll put a few in there. Let's see what it does. This is crazy, 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 this is crazy. I'm hoping this works. Got my popcorn kernels in there, got the oil in there, got the M&Ms in there. Come on, colorful popcorn. Colorful M&M popcorn. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Come on. Please work. Oh, dude, they're sizzling. What, dude, they gotta be about to pop. Maybe the M&Ms do have to melt first. I have no idea. Let me get a spoon. Get a spoon and maybe, because it would make sense that they'd have to melt, you know? soon as one of them pop. Oh my gosh, this is crazy, dude. Oh gosh, what did I do? Like, I can see it. I can definitely see. See this working. Chocolate M&M popcorn, dude. What? What? This is next level, bro. This is some next level stuff right here. Come on, pop. I probably have to put the lid on it. Alright. Dude, I honestly, I'll be completely honest, I have no idea if I'm supposed to be putting that lid on or not. Just kind of makes sense, I guess. I don't know. I gotta look under, there's a fire started. That would be terrible. Alright. Dude, I just want to get the pop in action, you know what I'm saying? Look at all that chocolate that's seeping into all the kernels. Oh my gosh. Go comment down below right now and let me know if you guys think that this is gonna work or not. You better do it. Oh. Those that popped aren't colorful yet. Oh, that one's kind of... Dude, I might add more M&Ms real quick. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. All the colorful ones I can grab. Blues, the greens, the yellers. So I just added more M&Ms right there. Oh my gosh, I'm hoping this works. Colorful M&M popcorn would be insane if it turns to different colors. I'd be cool with the chocolate, okay? I'd be cool with just having some nice chocolatey popcorn. That kind of defeats the purpose. Oh. Oh my gosh, I just got blasted. Holy shnikes, I'm closing that fucking shitty titty. Oh my god, close that. Oh my gosh, dude. How am I gonna do this? This is crazy. I'm just hoping I open it up and there's tons of colorful popcorn. Dude, I done made a fucking mess. It's going crazy in there. Watch what happens when I open it. Oh! It's going now. You hear that, Poochie Man? A piece of chocolatey popcorn. That is kind of cool. Even though it's not different colors, that's pretty cool. Look at that! I popped them all. Ooh, ow, my god! Or it smells like the popcorn may be burning. I said it right there. And 100% gotta get these popcorn out of there. Money shot. Wow. Chocolate, M&Ms, and all. Wow. Guys, I am, I don't know if I just did this wrong. I don't know if I was thinking wrong. Maybe I need to try food coloring and just color the curve. I don't know, dude. I don't know. If you guys have any idea on what I should do to try and get my popcorn to turn different colors, let me know. I thought the M&Ms were gonna work, but they didn't. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button down below and subscribe if you haven't already. There's over 70% of you guys that aren't subscribed to me right now. There's tons more content coming. I hope you guys enjoyed. JseeThree out.
And we all gon' get along just right, sure.